Practice speaking English. Love and compassion. Love everyone without expecting anything back. Be kind and gentle to all. Always look for the good in others. Help people who need you. Forgive and forget quickly. Use kind words when you speak. Share what you have with others. Listen carefully to your friends. Stay calm and make others happy. Small act of love can make the world better. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.